My name is Chantel, an engineer here at AC Foundry. We specialize in the production of heavily cored, thin-walled castings using both green sand and permanent mold. In this short video, we will focus on our permanent molding. Be sure to check out our other videos on green sand and specialized equipment. When we receive a customer's model, our CAD and simulation software packages allow us to efficiently and accurately design and simulate production processes. These tools are vital as they aid us in the optimization of both the casting and core design and process manufacturability. Complicated core assemblies are our specialty at AC Foundry. This core assembly includes 5 different cores, all being set in the mold simultaneously. This provides flexible options when you are engineering parts, saving time and money. All of the permanent molds at AC Foundry are poured manually with part number specific alloy parameters out of one of the 2 3,000-pound natural gas furnaces. This assures proper casting specifications that meet or exceed customers' expectations. The one-cavity mold used for this specific assembly is used to make molds on a gravity tilt pour machine. Once the core is set in place, the mold halves come together and metal is poured into the pour cup. The operator proceeds with the cycle start button and the machine tilts back 90 degrees. The tilting process allows the metal to flow into the mold at the desired rate, and the rest of our cycle time allows for solidification. Once cycle time is complete, the machine tilts back to its upright position and the casting cores are caught and removed. The casting catcher and ejection allows the part to be released and quickly moved out of the way for another part to be poured. Castings then make their way down to the cooling line onto the high-frequency core knockout and automatic saw. With the castings cooled down, they are then loaded into the enclosed high-frequency knockout machine. Once loaded, the door is shut and the cycle begins. 2 hammers and an oscillating table work together to remove the core from the passages. This new process allows us to eliminate the third-party process of core removal and lessen the sound in the shop. The casting is removed, inspected for any core sand that may still be present, and then placed onto a fixture in the automatic saw. The saw features gating removal that is repeatable, safe, and efficient. Both investments prove to be beneficial for us and the customer, saving time and money. Excess material removal is the last step in the process and is removed using various hand tools and bits. Once the entire casting is free of excess material, each piece is put into the shop blast, inspected, certified, and packed for shipping. We here at AC Foundry are very proud of our capabilities to design, simulate, and produce complex castings, and we thank you for watching. Please visit our website at www.acfoundry.com for more information and to fill out a contact form.